Okay, when we solve quadratic inequalities, we need to first of all do the same as we would do if it was an equation and put a 0 on one side, so make one of the sides 0. So I'm going to make a 0 here, and I'm going to take away 4x's from each side and take 12 from each side to get that. At this point, the most important thing to do if you're ever solving an inequality with a quadratic is to sketch a graph. So the first thing we want to do on this question is to do a quick sketch of the graph. And I want to sketch this graph. So I'm going to sketch the graph y equals x squared minus 4x minus 12. And I know to sketch the graph, if I factorize this, then I'm going to get x minus 6 and x plus 2 will be my two equations, or my two brackets, sorry, if this is factorized. So I know that this graph crosses the axes at 6 and minus 2. It's a positive graph because I've got a positive x squared up here. So I'm going to say, well, if that's the case, this graph must look like it's crossing at the number 6 and minus 2. And it's a positive U-shaped curve. And then I just flick back up to the question and I say I want to find where this graph is less than 0. So if we look at this graph, it's less than 0 for all of this section. So my solution to the inequality must be that x is in between minus 2 and 6.